Hello friends, welcome back to EasyClick Learning. In this video, I will show you two useful Excel functions that help you work with text data, the left and right functions. These are perfect for pulling a specific information from cells, like splitting a product code, isolating a first name, or pulling out specific details. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with the left function. The left function is great for when you want to extract a specific numbers of characters from the beginning of a text string. The first part is text. This is the cell containing the text you want to extract from. Second part, numbers of characters. This is how many characters you want to pull from the left side. Let's say we have a product code with product name in cell A2, like ABCD1234, and we want the product name. Select the cell and type =, left. Select the A2 cell, add a comma. Type 4 because I want just the first 4 letters. And press enter. Excel will return ABCD. Just product name. Next, let's move on the right function. This function is similar to left, but it extracts character starting from the right side of the text string. It works the same way as the left function, but goes from the right end. Let's take the same product code, ABCD1234, and say we want the last 4 numbers. Type =, right. Double-click the right command. Select the A2 cell, add a comma and type 4. Now press enter. Excel will give us 1, 2, 3, 4 as it's pulling the last 4 characters from the right. Sometimes you may need to use both functions together. For example, you may have a string like ABC123XYZ. For ABC, type =, left. Select the A2 cell, add a comma, and type 3 for pulling the first 3 characters. Now close the left function. To connect the two functions, add ampersand. Quotation marks for a space. Again add ampersand. Now move to the right function. Type right. Select the A2 cell, add a comma, type 3. Finally close the right function and press enter from your keyboard. Combining this helps you be specific with your data without extra steps. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more quick Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.